Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if your car's more than a couple of years old, or like mine more than a few years old, you've probably got worn out, faded grey plastic trim. Now over the years I've tried pretty much everything that I can think of to make it a bit darker, make it look smart again. And most things usually last for a couple of weeks and then you've got to do it again. In fact, the most success I had was with black kiwi shoe polish, but it's a nightmare to put on and you end up getting it all over the paintwork as well, so don't do that. Anyway, I've been recommended Gtechniq C4 permanent trim restorer. It says it lasts for 2 years, so it's not completely permanent, but it's better than 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm going to put that on and have a go. Yeah, I got this from Clean and Shiny. I'll put the link in the description, and I think it was £22 something, but if it lasts for 2 years it's more than worth it. The reviews that I've read on it already, the main problem that people had, they didn't get the trim clean enough. You've got to get all the existing products that you've got off of the trim itself. Gtechniq recommend to use their own cleaner, but I've been told alcohol cleaner will do the job. So I've already used the alcohol cleaner, so now we're going to try the trim restorer. You get this tiny little bottle of it. Apparently a little goes a long way. You also get these little pads that come with it to help put it on. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Whoa. Already hopefully you can see the difference. So yeah, we're going to go all the way down the side of the car, see how it goes on. Well, I've got to say that was super quick, super easy to put on, so if that's as easy as it is, then that's a pretty winning product. It does say any excess product you've got, just wipe it off with a microfiber cloth, and there you go, that's good to go. So I'm going to go around the rest of the car and do all the black plastic trim. I don't like getting the camera too close to the car because then you can see all the scratches and dents and the rust. So yeah, done the whole car. I think it looks better already, it does from here, but my car normally does look better from about 5 feet away. Let's see how long it lasts. So yeah, I've done the whole car and I've used about half of that bottle, so probably enough to do, well, it depends how much trim you've got on your car obviously, but probably 2 cars like this, there might just be enough that I can do the faded plastic bumpers on my Transit. So yeah, we'll leave it for a couple of months and see what it looks like. Oh, hang on, wait a minute. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Hi guys, put the web address underneath or in the comments. No, it does say any excess you've got.